Hey, this is Hayes with Atlanta Dings here, and I'm here at a Dent job. I want to show you this. Got a Lexus RX 350 here, and the customer called me out to fix this big caved-in rear door. She called another dent company, and they said this could not be fixed with paintless dent removal. Little knockdowns I'm using. These are linear knockdowns. Number 1, sharper. 2, less sharp. 3, my broad one. I'm finding for linear brows, these linear knockdowns are fantastic. Alright, got the finished product here. And so I do fix a lot of big damage. If you've been given the opinion that something can't be fixed, why don't you send some photos of your damage to me and see if I can fix it for you. Thanks for watching.